touch it. Don't touch it. Keep it right there. Right there. Right there.